ProDigital designs advanced command and control centers for power grid operations, integrating data and control systems from key divisions such as transmission, distribution, load dispatch, and substations. Our platform consolidates SCADA, GIS, and IoT-based monitoring into a unified operational view. Power lines are vital to our modern world, stretching across challenging terrains and enduring harsh conditions every day. But this exposure makes them vulnerable to wear and tear, which is why regular and accurate inspections are so important. Traditional methods often take too long, cost too much, and even require power outages. That's where ProDigital AI detection makes a difference. With ProDigital AI detection, we're rethinking how power line inspections are done. Using drones equipped with LiDAR, thermal imaging, and high-resolution cameras, we can cover large areas quickly and efficiently, without ever turning off the power. No outages, no interruptions, just seamless inspections. Every inspection is smarter with ProDigital AI detection. Thermal imaging helps detect hotspots, so potential issues can be fixed before they lead to failures. LiDAR creates detailed 3D models, helping us identify problems like encroachments, violations, and sagging cables with incredible accuracy. And with the power of AI, our system analyzes the data, detects defects, and categorizes them for quick action. With ProDigital AI detection, it's not just about inspections. It's about prevention. It's about protecting your assets and ensuring reliable power for everyone, everywhere. ProDigital AI detection. Smarter inspections. Better power. A brighter future.